In the vast theater of the cosmos, where stars light the stage and planets revolve in their eternal dance, humanity has always been a curious spectator. From the dawn of our existence, we have looked to the heavens and yearned for the distant worlds that twinkle in the night sky. We have imagined, dreamed, and strived to reach beyond our earthly bounds. And now, in a monumental chapter of human exploration, we are witnessing the epic return to a celestial body that has captured our imaginations for millennia, the Moon. Welcome to this cinematic journey as we delve into the story of Artemis 2, a mission that signifies not just a leap in technology, but a rekindling of the human spirit of exploration. This is the tale of humanity's epic return to the Moon, a narrative that echoes with the miles per hour of the past and the possibilities of the future. It has been over 50 years since humans last ventured to our lunar neighbor. The year was 1972, the mission was Apollo 17, and the world watched as astronauts Eugene Cernan and Harrison Schmitt took humanity's last steps on the lunar surface. Fast forward to now, and the Artemis program signifies our bold return to these ancient tracks in lunar dust. Artemis 2 is the first crewed mission of this ambitious program, a mission designed not to land, but to fly by the Moon and set the stage for future lunar landings. The Artemis 2 mission is a miles per hour ONI of science, engineering, and human determination. Named after the Greek goddess of the hunt and sister to Apollo, Artemis embodies the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. This mission is not just about the journey itself, but about what it represents for humanity's future in space. It is a mission that breaks records, not only in distance, but in the audacity of human aspiration. As the launch window opens, tension and excitement fill the air. The mighty Space Launch System, NASA's most powerful rocket ever built, stands ready on the launch pad. Its engines roar to life, a thunderous miles per hour ONI that signals the beginning of Artemis 2's voyage. The rocket ascends, piercing through the atmosphere, leaving behind a trail of fire and smoke as it carries its precious cargo, the Orion spacecraft and its courageous crew, toward the inky blackness of space. On board Orion are 4 pioneers, astronauts selected not only for their skills but for their spirit of adventure. They are the first humans to venture beyond low Earth orbit in over half a century. As they cross the threshold of our planet's gravitational embrace, they enter a realm where few have dared to tread. They are the torchbearers of our cosmic ambitions, carrying with them the hopes and dreams of generations. The journey to the Moon is both a return and a beginning. As Artemis 2 embarks on its trajectory, it follows in the footsteps of Apollo, yet it forges its own path. The spacecraft is a marvel of modern engineering, equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to ensure the safety and success of the mission. Its systems are a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the engineers and scientists who have dedicated years to this endeavor. As the Earth begins to shrink in the rear view, a pale blue dot suspended in the darkness, the enormity of the mission becomes palpable. The crew is on a path to break the record for the farthest distance traveled by humans from their home planet, a milestone that pushes the boundaries of human presence in space. As Orion approaches the Moon, the spacecraft enters a trans-lunar injection, a precise maneuver that sets it on a course to intercept the lunar sphere. The crew prepares for the historic flyby, their eyes set on the horizon, where the Moon looms ever closer. This is a moment that echoes with the significance of history and the thrill of discovery. The lunar surface comes into view, a barren yet beautiful landscape that has witnessed the silent passage of time. Craters and mountains cast long shadows under the harsh sunlight, a reminder of the Moon's ancient and unchanging nature. For the crew, it is a sight both familiar and alien, a world that has been visited but remains largely unexplored. Artemis 2 performs its flyby with precision, a ballet of celestial mechanics guided by both human hands and computer algorithms. The spacecraft dips into the shadow of the Moon, a brief moment of radio silence as it passes behind the lunar body. In this silence, there is a profound connection to the explorers of the past, those who once stood on this very frontier and dreamed of the next steps. Emerging from the shadow, Orion captures breathtaking images of the lunar landscape, sending them back to Earth, where they spark the imaginations of millions. These images are not just pixels on a screen. They are windows into a world that beckons us to return, to explore, and to understand. The successful flyby of Artemis 2 is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of international collaboration. It is a mission that unites people across the globe, as many nations contribute to the Artemis program, each playing a vital role in this new era of space exploration. The moon, once a distant and unattainable dream, is becoming within our grasp once again, not just as a destination but as a stepping stone to the stars. As Orion begins its journey home, the crew reflects on their experience. They are not just travelers in space, they are trailblazers, carrying with them new knowledge and a renewed sense of purpose. Their mission is a prelude to future endeavors, a crucial step in humanity's quest to establish a sustainable presence on the moon and beyond. The lessons learned from Artemis 2 will inform the missions that follow, as we prepare to send astronauts to the lunar surface and one day, onward to Mars. The return to Earth is a carefully orchestrated endeavor, as Orion re-enters the atmosphere, engulfed in a fiery embrace that tests the limits of its heat shield. The spacecraft splashes down safely in the ocean, a successful conclusion to a historic mission that has pushed the boundaries of human exploration. As the crew emerges from Orion, they are greeted as heroes, not just for their bravery, but for what they represent. They are the embodiment of humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of discovery that drives us to reach for the stars. Artemis 2 is more than just a mission. It is a beacon of hope and inspiration. It is a reminder that we are capable of extraordinary achievements when we dare to dream and work together. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of exploration, the legacy of Artemis 2 will continue to inspire generations to come. Humanity's epic return to the moon is a story that transcends borders and unites us in our shared curiosity and wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination and the strength of human determination. As we look to the future, we are reminded that the universe is vast, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And with each step we take into the unknown, we carry with us the hope and promise of discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the story of Artemis 2. Together, let us continue to reach for the stars, to explore the cosmos, and to uncover the secrets of the universe. This is not the end of our journey, but merely the beginning. The universe is vast, and we have only just begun. If this made you feel the scale of what lies beyond, subscribe to Alpha Centauri Signals. The road to the stars is just getting started.